This snake is trying to get out my garden, but I guess it's kind of stuck between the netting. So part of his body is outside, but its head is still inside. So I'm not really sure what to do at this point. Um, I did try to call animal control. I guess it's the 4th of July. It rang and rang and rang and nobody answered. So I'm stuck with having to figure out what to do with this snake. I don't know if it's poisonous. It can certainly kill some rats in my garden if they try to come in and feast on my crops. But I don't want a snake in there either. I have a netting around and I put that netting in there for a reason. So I think I need to reinforce my netting so critters and snakes don't sneak into the garden. Um, I'm at a loss. I have a little stick in my hand. I can try to move it, but its body's inside. So if I try to touch it or use the stick to lift it, I can guarantee you it's just gonna go even further into the garden. And maybe I can just call poison control tomorrow to come out here and get it. I was hoping it would stay inside until tomorrow, but I hate to have to look for it. Look at the foliage of this garden. It's so thick. Like, how would I start even looking for it? Like, if I come back tomorrow and I can't find it. Lord, I'm going to try to mess with it a little bit and see if it moves. Y'all don't be calling no animal abuse to come over here because I ain't trying to kill it. I just want it to get away from my garden. So I'm gonna mess with it a little more. You see its tail moving. I wish it would just come out and go in the bush, but it seems to be, it does not want to cooperate. You know I'm using a long stick because I'm scared, right? It looks like it's stuck or something. Yeah, I think it's stuck in the netting. It's got to be stuck because the head is not moving. I can see that. I'm hoping that if I mess with it enough, it's gonna come out, but I think it's stuck in that netting and it's unable to get out on its own. So I just might have to wait and get animal control in here tomorrow. So this is right in my backyard. This is the first live snake I have seen this summer. I'm not a fan of snakes. I hear some are not poisonous and they really are not gonna harm people. But I don't know these things like that. So I'd rather not have them around me, especially around the house. So I think it's stuck. I'm just gonna call first thing in the morning because I have attempted to call, and so far I haven't had much luck. So I'm gonna leave it alone because it looks like it's not going anywhere. See how long that snake is? And it's just curling itself up, trying not to move. If you have any tips on how I can get rid of the snake before tomorrow, please let me know. There you have it. I have messed with it enough, and that is that.
Snake is a snake. He's holding a snake. It's a poisonous snake. It's a black snake. Daddy. Should I stop now?
Mm-hmm.